What's up everyone, Arif here, back with another tutorial, and in this video we are looking at page numbers in Microsoft Word, the absolute height of technical content here on YouTube. But it is a problem I know a lot of people have, and getting page numbers to start on different pages is something you're probably going to encounter a lot in school or even in business. You don't want your page numbers to start at number 1 on the title page. That just looks really sloppy. So let's get into it and let's talk about how you do it. We're going to start by coming into Insert, and we're just going to go Page Numbers, bottom of the page, and click. So here we go. We know this is the standard problem everybody has. It starts at 1, 2, 3, but number 1 should be starting here where it says number 4. So this is our current predicament that everyone has. How do we get around this? Well, the big thing is you need to break this into sections. So coming into the executive summary, we're going to close out our footer. And coming into the executive summary, we're going to go to a new line, go to layout, go to breaks, and we want to do next page. So you can just move this back up here. This won't matter, because if you're wondering like, oh, what happened to the break? You can just come into home, click on this gross little icon here, and you'll see this line. And this means a new page break happened here. So that is fine, but we still have the problem of our numbers. How do we edit this? Let's go back to Insert. Let's go to Footers. We want to go to Edit Footer. So now you can see there's Header 1 Section 2 and Header 1 Section 1. That is perfect. Now we have to go into this, and you see here, link from previous. We want to disable that. We want these to be separate sections. And now if we go to page numbers and do format page numbers, start at 1, you'll see here, this starts at 1, but this is still number 3. So that is half the problem done. Now we have to get rid of 1, 2, and 3. If we come in and just do delete, and now if we come down, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, but we don't have 1, 2, and 3 up at the top here. So when you want to get your page numbers to be the same but different, you want to break stuff into sections. That's really the key takeaway from this. And as a side note, if you're wondering how I got the dark mode on here, all you do is come into Account, and you just click on Office Themes. So if anyone has any questions about that, there you go. Well, guys, there you have it. That is how you edit page numbers in Microsoft Word to start on a different page. I hope this video helped you. If it did, hey, leave a comment and let me know. I always love to get my ego stroked and know that you guys are benefiting out of these videos. And maybe hit that sub button. Want to get to 2,000 probably for the end of 2025. But that's just a small goal that we have. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I've been Arif. This has been a tutorial, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.